Hello folks, and welcome to Modern World Dynamics. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, 12 everyday habits that can actually make you smarter. We're not talking about mastering quantum physics or learning 4 languages at once. No, these are simple, accessible habits that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine. We're exploring the concept of cognitive enhancement and how these little changes can have a big impact. So, are you ready to learn how to be smarter every day? Let's dive right in. Habit number 1, reading. Simple as it may sound, it's a powerful tool for improving your intelligence. Take Elon Musk, for instance. He attributes his knowledge of rocket science to his extensive reading habits. Reading not only enriches your vocabulary, but also enhances your comprehension and analytical thinking skills. It's like a mental workout, flexing and strengthening those cognitive muscles. So grab a book and let your mind explore new territories. Moving on to our second habit, regular exercise. We've all heard the saying, a healthy body equals a healthy mind, right? But how does this work exactly? Well, imagine your brain as a high-performance engine. Just like an engine needs fuel, your brain needs blood flow to function at its best. Regular exercise boosts this blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your brain. Think of it like giving your brain a tune-up. So remember, a healthy body equals a healthy mind. Our third habit goes beyond the physical, meditation and mindful practices. Imagine a world where your thoughts are crystal clear and your focus is laser sharp. This isn't some sci-fi fantasy, but the reality of those who practice mindfulness. Take Albert Einstein, for instance, who famously said, "I think 99 times and find nothing. I stop thinking, swim in silence, and the truth comes to me." So why not give mindfulness a try? It might just be the key to unlocking your intellectual potential. Just a quick break here to remind you to hit that subscribe button. Subscribing to Modern World Dynamics means you'll never miss a video, and it helps us continue to bring you exciting content packed with knowledge and fun. Remember, each click of that button supports us in creating more engaging, educational videos to help you navigate the dynamics of the modern world. So go on, give that button a click. Thank you for your support. Now, back to our list. Moving on, we have habits 4 to 6, good nutrition, quality sleep, and continuous learning. Let's delve into the details, shall we? First off, good nutrition. It's not just about keeping your body fit and healthy, but it's also about keeping your mind sharp. Our brain, like any other organ, needs proper nutrition to function at its best. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can boost brain power, improve memory, and enhance concentration. Take, for example, the story of Emily, a student who used to struggle with focus and memory. She decided to overhaul her diet, swapping out processed foods for fresh, wholesome ones. Over time, she noticed a significant improvement in her cognitive abilities, and her grades shot up too. Next, we have quality sleep. We all know that feeling of brain fog after a poor night's sleep, right? Sleep is when our brain processes the day's information, makes connections, and essentially recharges. Lack of it can lead to problems with memory, concentration, and decision-making. Remember the tale of Tom, the entrepreneur who was burning the candle at both ends? It wasn't until he started prioritizing sleep that he saw an increase in his productivity and creativity. Lastly, continuous learning. Our brains are like muscles. They need to be used and challenged to stay sharp. This doesn't mean you have to be buried in textbooks all day. It could be as simple as learning a new recipe, picking up a musical instrument, or even dabbling in a new language. Take Julia, a retiree who decided to learn how to paint. Not only did she discover a new passion, but she also noticed an improvement in her memory and cognitive skills. Remember, your brain needs fuel, rest, and new challenges to stay sharp. So, make sure you're eating right, getting enough sleep, and continually learning new things. These habits won't just make you smarter, they'll make you healthier and happier too. Before we continue, we'd like to ask for your support. Producing these videos takes countless hours of research, scripting, and editing to ensure we bring you the most accurate and engaging content. Your donations, no matter how small, make a significant difference. They enable us to keep exploring new topics and creating more of these insightful videos. So if you find value in what we do here on Modern World Dynamics, consider making a contribution. The donation link is in the description below. Every bit helps us continue to bring you these informative videos. Thank you. Now, let's discuss habits 7 to 9, social interaction, playing brain games, and exploring creativity. First up, social interaction. It's not just about the chit-chat over a cup of tea, but the meaningful connections we make with those around us. These interactions challenge our perspectives, push our boundaries, and help us learn from diverse viewpoints. Remember when you had that late-night debate with your friends about the best superhero? It wasn't just fun. Your brain was flexing its muscles, processing new information, and forming fresh neural connections. Next, we have brain games. Ever tried to solve a Rubik's Cube or beat your high score in a game of chess? These activities aren't just about winning or losing. They're about strategy, problem solving, and critical thinking. They force your brain to work in ways your daily routine might not. Picture your brain as a muscle. Just like your biceps, your brain needs a good workout too. And brain games, they're the perfect gym for your mind. Finally, let's talk about exploring creativity. Whether it's painting a sunset, writing a poem, or even cooking a new recipe, these activities let your imagination run wild. They encourage you to think outside the box, to see the world in a different light. Remember that time you tried to bake a soufflé and it collapsed? It wasn't a failure. It was a lesson in creativity and innovation. Your brain was learning, adapting, and growing. So why are these habits important? They keep your brain active, engaged, and challenged. They expose you to new ideas, enhance your problem-solving skills, and boost your creativity. They also help you to connect with others, fostering empathy and understanding. So chat with a friend, play a puzzle, or paint a picture. Your brain will thank you. And finally, habits 10 to 12, listening to music, learning a new language, and traveling. Let's start with music. Can you recall the last time you hummed along to your favorite tune? Well, you were doing more than just enjoying a catchy beat. Studies show that engaging with music, whether it's listening, singing, or playing an instrument, can improve memory, attention, and cognitive flexibility. Think of your favorite musician, their creativity and quick thinking. That's your brain on music. Now imagine you're at a quaint cafe in Paris and you order your coffee in perfect French. Learning a new language, habit 11, is not only a ticket to cultural exploration, but it also flexes your cognitive muscles. It enhances problem-solving, multitasking, and listening skills. Plus, it's never too late to start. Adult learners often use different strategies than children, making the process a unique cognitive challenge. Finally, habit 12, traveling. You might be thinking, but that's just a holiday, right? Well, yes and no. Traveling is an excellent way to keep your brain sharp. Each new street navigated, each unfamiliar menu decoded is a mini mental workout. It's about stepping outside of your comfort zone and adapting to new environments. Let's take a trip, shall we? Imagine the vibrant colors of a bustling market in Marrakesh, the heady scent of exotic spices, or the intricate beauty of a Japanese tea ceremony. Each experience offers a new perspective, a different way of thinking about the world, and that's what traveling does. It broadens your horizons and introduces novelty into your life, stimulating your brain in the process. So, there you have it. The final 3 habits that can make you smarter. And the best part? They don't feel like work at all. From the symphonies of Mozart, to the allure of learning Spanish, to the thrill of planning a trip to the Great Wall of China, these habits are as enjoyable as they are beneficial. So, turn on some tunes, learn some new phrases, or plan your next adventure. You're not just having fun, you're getting smarter. And that's it, folks. 12 simple, everyday habits that can boost your intelligence. We've journeyed through the power of reading, exercising, meditation, good nutrition, quality sleep, continuous learning, social interaction, playing brain games, exploring creativity, listening to music, learning a new language, and traveling. Each of these habits, when practiced daily, can significantly enhance your cognitive abilities and make you smarter. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Modern World Dynamics for more informative content. Thanks for watching. Greetings, cherished viewers. I trust you're relishing today's content. However, before we return to the main event, I've got a thrilling announcement. This interlude is sponsored by Modern World Dynamics. Yes, that's us, and we have an unbeatable proposition exclusively for you. We're on a mission to inject dynamism into your life, and there's no better way to accomplish that than with our exceptional online courses. Here's a sneak peek at a few. Perhaps you're aiming to elevate your dating prowess with our men's dating course. or you're keen to refine your attire with our men's style course. Rest assured, we've got you sorted. For those on the quest for a life partner, our How to Find a Husband course is a must. Conversely, if you're a duo seeking to solidify your financial stability, financial planning for couples is just the ticket. For those aspiring to carve out a digital niche, our courses like How to Build a Personal Brand and How to Grow Your Social Media are ideal. And remember, the flawless dating profile is merely a course away. If you're a tad unsure about initiating contact, our How to Approach Women course has your back. Visit our website at www.modernworlddynamics.com and revolutionize your life today. Thank you for tuning in and for choosing Modern World Dynamics for your personal development voyage. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to our courses, assisting you in navigating the modern world's dynamics. Now back to the captivating content you are enjoying. Until our next encounter, remain inquisitive, stay connected, and continue to explore the dynamics of the modern world. Cheers, everyone.